Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video today. We are going to be doing a full face of first impressions, and I have so much stuff in front of me right now that I am dying to try, so let's jump right in. First, I'm going to start by putting my hair up. I'm going to be using the Invisible Elegant Hair Rings because why not? Next, we are going to prime the face. I think the primer that I'm going to be using today is the Farsali 24 Karat Rose Gold Skin Mist, just because I love the way it smells. And yeah, I'm going to be using the CC Plus Illumination by IT Cosmetics, and it's supposed to be full coverage, so we'll see. Just gonna It's kind of dark for my skin right now. So far, it's blending really nicely, and it does. I mean, it says it's full coverage, but it is a CC Plus cream, and I am breaking out, and you can see these areas still like a lot. So I do think that the color matches pretty well to my face though. Anywhere that I'm currently breaking out needs another layer. After you do put the other coat on though, it does start to get more full coverage, which makes sense because you're doubling up, but I'm gonna go in with this part of my beauty blender now and kind of just... Okay, anyway, moving on. I just can't do that right now. I'm so excited because I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Concealer, and I've heard so many good things about it, and I'm doing the color, or I have the color C8. Look at that. That is so pretty. Please be my shade because I only bought one, so fingers crossed. There's a hole in the middle, so what he said is that you get more product like per dip into the jar, I don't know, whatever, into this thing, because it has the hole so it holds more products. So let's just, oh wow. So that was just one dip into this. Like I just took it out, did my face, and it was done. So I feel like this will last me a while, which is nice because my other ones don't really. So let's blend this out. This blends out super, super easy. Okay, so next then we have the Jeffree Star Powder, which I'm super excited to try out because I heard that it really helps with blurring the under eyes. So we are just going to open that up and take my beauty blender. Just gonna... I got the fair color because it was like the only color close to my skin like tone that was still in stock. So I'm a little nervous that it might be too late, but well, it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little bit more into the top, and I'm just going to put that in all the areas where I concealed and also where I get like lines in my foundation. So around my, I'm like on my smile lines because I always get lines there. So far I'm liking this. It feels really smooth on my skin. I should probably do my eyebrows since I'm doing them so late. I do not have any new products for my eyebrows. So with that being said, I will do these off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I am back with my eyebrows on. So next I am going to be doing my bronzer, and we're going to go in with the Sunstalker bronzer from Fenty in the shade Private Island. It's pretty warm tone. So I'm just going to go in light hand first. I can already tell that this bronzer is definitely buildable. Like, you don't just put it right on and it's like insane, you know, but I do like the way that it's blending right now. Okay. For blush, I'm going to be going in with the NARS Exposed Palette. Okay, but I think I'm gonna go in with a mixture of this shade and this shade, just because I think that they both look super pretty, and when I swatched them yesterday, they were kind of the same shade, like both like peaches. That is so pretty. I love a peach blush, like a peachy shade, because I just think that it looks so cute. Yes, love that. Okay, so then next I'm going to be doing my highlight, and I'm going to be mixing the shade from the Cheek Leaders palette, Cookie, which I love, and then also doing the Super Glow by Natasha Denona. So I'm going to be starting off with my Natasha Denona highlight. Oh, this coats the brush like right away, like all of that. Look. Oh my god. So this one right here. Like, are you kidding? I am going to be doing my eyeshadow, which I'm going to come a little closer for, so I think this is looking so pretty. I'm now going to go in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, because I'm too excited to use this. So, not sure what look I'm kind of going for today yet, but I guess we'll just figure it out on the way, won't we? We're just gonna go in with the shade Weekender all over the eyelid. What kind of look should I do today? I don't know. I have so many choices. I really want to use this color, kind of. You know, I'm just gonna do my thing. We're gonna go in with the color Riff, which is like more, it looks more of like a chocolatey, orangish kind of. And we're gonna go in with that and put that on the outer corners. Next, I'm going to be going in with Good as Gone right here, and I'm going to pack that into the outer corner. I'm going to go in with this shade Punk. It's more of a deeper brown, and I'm really going to focus that on the bottom right here. Okay, I think I'm feeling a little dangerous. I'm going to go in with this shade. It's called Big Sky, and I am just going to go for it because why not, right? I'm gonna go back in as the good with the Good Is Gone color. I'm gonna just put that right there. Now I need to put on some lashes, and currently my favorite lashes at this time are the Blinking Beauty lashes in Mademoiselle and also Balmask. And I don't know, I just love the way that they look on the eye. We're gonna put these on, and I'm gonna use the House of Lashes glue, and I will do that off camera, and I will see you in a second. Okay, I am back with my lashes on, and it is time to put on our bottom eyeshadow. I almost said mascara, that is coming. But our bottom eyeshadow first. So I'm gonna go back in with that color Riff at the top right here. And I'm just gonna put that on my brush and go right underneath by the waterline. Okay, then next I'm gonna go to the shade Good As Gone. And I'm just gonna coat that really lightly. Cool. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Punk shade again down here. So pretty. I love this. This blue is literally everything. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the shade Cookie from the Cheek Leader palette, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to be putting mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I think I kind of want to put eyeliner in the waterline. So I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner Eyeliner Gel in Moody. I have used this before, but I don't have an eyeliner that is new. So I'm going to be putting this in my eyelash, in my waterline. Next, the last thing that I have to do is put on a lip color. I'm going to be using one of the Buxom lip plumpers. So I'm going to try not to use the clear one just because I'm always using clear. These are the shades. I think I'm going to go on with this one. Let's try this one out. Okay, so let's take the hair down. See our final look. Oh wait, let's do a little setting spray here with our Dewy Set by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I think this turned out really, really cool. I'm loving the eyeshadow. I just I like it. Looks nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I loved making it. Please like and subscribe and follow my makeup account on Instagram. I will see you guys in the next video.